All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why. All my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why. All my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, I'm married to this game, that's who I made my wife. Said I die alone, I told that bitch she probably right. One thing that's for sure, not a stranger to this life. Got a safe that's full of Franklins and a shoulder full of stripes. I don't know a nigga like myself. I say self-made, meaning I design myself. County jail fade, you can pull my foul yourself. Spot raid, swallow rocks, I'm getting high myself. Nah, and damn right I like the life I built. I'm from West Side 60, shit I might got killed. Standing so tall, they think I might got stills. Legendary baller like Mike, like Will. 96 Impala, thug life on wheels. Up against the wall, squabble at Fox Hills. Like a motherfucking boss, ask me how I feel. Successful street nigga touching them first meals. All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why. All my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why. All my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, I got everything I said I was gonna get on my kid. In addition to that fact, I went legit. I'm the shit now, according to the way that I'm positioned. In this biz, it look like I'm just gonna keep on getting rich. Know them West Side RSCs is us. LAPD on my dick, I'ma squeeze and bust. If a rap nigga diss, switch cheese and bust. All this rap money, nigga, look, I need too much. Money, loyalty, and love, in the dream we trust. You'll be switching up the players on your team too much. Tiny Copy, that's my low, Young Supreme, what's up? And we travel around the world getting cream or what? Ain't you get off on whoever hustles seem to rush? Las Vegas strip pop, yeah, you creamed them punks. After all that looking tough, all he seen was stunts. 50 Cent and Mayweather flee the scene with us. True story. All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why. All my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why. All my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look.
You guys do not mind, please tag it forward. We're trying to keep track of this event. We want it to go down in like Bellflower history. You know, we're trying to do something for the city. Appreciate y'all.
Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why. All my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why. All my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look.
No rush, no rush.
562-240-3290.
I already, yeah, his girlfriend already ordered. He already got that. Yeah. Thank you. Let me go double check for that. If anybody else orders with this.
You guys start right there.
Lando.
Oh shoot, I thought it was a picture. We had Cravingsicecream in Bellflower off of Laundry and Clark. Pop out and get your goodies, man. We only gonna be here for so long. It's a limited time event.
Yeah, you got basically just coming right here.
But we will be ready for the next batch of people in about 25 minutes, no later than that. By 7:38, 7:35.
Pull up!
We still got 200 strips. You heard the man. Pull on up. We had Cravingsicecream, Bellflower. We're barking the laundry. You can't miss it. And for everybody who's already coming out, already got the plates, thank you guys. What's going on, everybody? We had a very successful event. Cravingsicecream had a wonderful turnout. There was a ton of people. We knocked out so many orders. It's about 8 p.m. We've sold out of mac and cheese. We're about to double up and bring it back for round 2. We're trying to last all the way through 10 p.m. guys, so come on out. Appreciate everybody who came out already. This is about a recap for tonight. You know, it's already getting pretty late. We'll be heading out pretty soon, everybody, and thank you for coming out, everybody. LandosKitchen out.
You might need to do a song for LA.
Straight up. Just go out to LA. The new anthem. Look down. To live and die in LA. California. What you say about Los Angeles? Still the only place for me. It never rains inside. To live and die in LA, where every day we try to fatten our pockets. Us niggas hustle for the cash, so it's hard to knock it. Everybody got their own thing coming, so chasing worldwide through the hard times, worrying faces. Shed tears as we bury niggas close to heart. But was a friend, now a ghost in the dark. Cold part about it, nigga got smoked by a fiend, trying to floss on him, blind to a broken man's dream. A hard lesson, court cases keep him guessing. Plea bargain ain't an option now, so I'm stressing. Cost me more to be free than a life in the pen. Making money off of cuss words, writing again. Learn how to think ahead, so I fight with my pen. Late night down sunset, like in the zen. What's the most they can do to a nigga? Got me lost in the end.
It's a video.
Well, you know the video. We out here at Lando's. We're sold out. That shit all gone. We got more sauce than we got food. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. You want some toast? Right here, bro. Eat some bread.
That's some bread right there. Some crumbs?
Oh no, I got you. Let me open that hot sauce, bro. Open that hot sauce.
I get some sauce.
Central LA, can't get no stranger. Full of drama like a soap opera. On the curb, watching the ghetto bird helicopters. I observe so many niggas getting 3 strikes, tossed in jail. Swear to God, right across the
Are you ready?
I'm just a nigga on his own now, living life thug style. So I can't smile right into my people's
Go. Who's the lucky winner? Who's the lucky winner? Let's go, let's go. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go, let's go.
All the mother niggas copycats.
037. 30-60-37 is the winner.
We might fight amongst each other, but I promise you this, we'll burn this bitch down.
Last 3 numbers, 037.
037. I won. No way. Hey, are we gonna wait for somebody to claim this? I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna have them get in contact with me or Craving. Carlos!
Wouldn't be LA without Mexicans. Black love, brown pride in the sets again. Pete Wilson trying to see us all broke. I'm on some